Pipedrive and HubSpot are two sales tools used to sell. This video compares both services to find the best option for your business. While both help, they have a very different approach to cost and speed. We analyze the pricing, workflow, integrations, and advanced features, plus one key area to see which one performs better. By the end, you will know which CRM is right for your sales team. Entry-level costs and the free tier. Pipedrive and HubSpot approach your first day of work very differently when it comes to your budget. Pipedrive offers one clear path for sales, while HubSpot has different hubs for marketing, service, and sales. For this comparison, we looked at their sales tools. Pipedrive Lite starts at $14 per month per user if you pay for a year at once. If you pay monthly, that price is $24. HubSpot, on the other hand, offers a free version of their Sales Hub that allows up to 2 users to start working immediately. If you want their Sales Hub starter plan, it costs $9 per seat per month billed annually, or $15 if you pay monthly. While HubSpot's starter price is lower, the cost jumps up much faster as you scale. Their professional Sales Hub starts at $90 per seat per month, while Pipedrive's growth plan is only $39 per month when billed annually. If you are a very small team, HubSpot's free tools are hard to beat, but Pipedrive offers a more predictable price as you grow your sales team. Automation and daily sales workflow. Pipedrive and HubSpot both try to save you time by handling the repetitive parts of sales. Pipedrive focuses on providing a simple, intuitive workspace for lead and pipeline management. Starting with their growth plan, the software includes full email sync with tracking, a meeting scheduler, and a contact timeline. It is built for the person who spends their whole day inside a sales pipeline. HubSpot handles things a bit differently within its Sales Hub by using Breeze tools, such as the Breeze Assistants and Breeze Prospecting Agents. These are digital assistants that help with prospecting and call transaction. HubSpot also gives you a sales workspace and forecasting tools to help you manage your sales process. These powerful features are fueled by HubSpot credits, allowing you to scale your work at your own pace. While HubSpot's Sales Hub acts as a wide-reaching platform for overall business strategy, Pipedrive is a finely tuned engine built to help a salesperson clear their task lists and close deals at maximum speed. Alright, that covers the daily workflow for both platforms. If you have already decided which one you want, you can find my affiliate links for both Pipedrive and HubSpot in the description of this video. These links help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now, let's compare the external connections and integrations of Pipedrive and HubSpot. Connecting to other software tools. Pipedrive and HubSpot need to work with the other apps you already use, like your email or your calendar. Pipedrive makes this very clear from the start by offering over 500 integrations even on its most basic Lite plan. This means if you use specialized tools for accounting or marketing, there's a good chance Pipedrive can talk to them right away through its marketplace or open API. HubSpot takes a platform approach. Instead of just connecting to outside apps, they include their own tools for marketing, service, and content directly in the CRM. This is helpful because you do not have to worry about whether two different companies' apps will play nice together. While HubSpot actually has a larger marketplace with over 2,000 integrations, its main benefit is this built-in suite. If you already have a set of tools you love and you just want a CRM that plugs into them, Pipedrive's large list of integrations on its cheapest plan is a major strength. HubSpot is better if you want to move everything into one single system and stop paying for many different software subscriptions. Onboarding and professional setup fees. Pipedrive and HubSpot have very different rules for how you set up your account once you move past the basic plans. With Pipedrive, you can try any plan for free for up to 30 days to see if it works for you. No credit card is required. They even offer personalized onboarding on the Lite plan to help you get started without paying extra. There are no mandatory startup fees listed for Pipedrive's higher tiers, keeping your initial costs predictable. Now, HubSpot is much more formal. As of today, if you want to use their professional Sales Hub, you are required to pay a one-time onboarding fee of $1,500. If you go all the way up to the enterprise plan, that one-time fee jumps to $3,500. This is a significant cost that you have to plan for. It means that while HubSpot might have a cheap $9 starter plan, moving to their more powerful tools requires a major investment before you even send your first email. So while HubSpot requires a high-priced entry ticket to unlock its best tools, Pipedrive gives you the keys to the full system with zero mandatory setup fees. Advanced features for large teams. Pipedrive and HubSpot both offer ultimate or enterprise versions for companies with many employees and complex needs. Pipedrive's ultimate plan costs $79 per seat per month when billed annually. This plan is designed for those who need fortified account security, offering advanced rules and alerts to keep your data safe. You also get a sandbox testing account, which is a private space where you can try out new workflows or integrations without accidentally breaking your live sales data. To help large teams stay on track, it includes both partnership discounts and extended phone support so you can get an expert on the line quickly when you have a question. HubSpot's Sales Hub Enterprise plan is a much larger investment, starting at $150 per seat per month. For that higher price, you get deep technical tools like lead form routing, which automatically sends new leads to the right salesperson based on how they answer questions on your website. You also get interactive voice response for your phone systems, which allows callers to navigate a menu to reach the right department. It also includes deal journey analytics to show you exactly where people are getting stuck in your sales process, along with pipeline approvals to give managers more control over how deals move forward. Pipedrive's ultimate plan offers a high-performance workspace that keeps complex teams fast, secure, and focused on the sale, while HubSpot's enterprise tier builds a massive command center for cross-department data, choosing the right CRM for your business. To wrap things up, the choice between these two comes down to how you work and how much you want to spend over time. You should pick Pipedrive if you want a dedicated sales tool that is easy to understand and has a very predictable price. It is great for teams that already have their own marketing and support tools and just need a better way to track deals through a visual pipeline. The Growth Plan is particularly good value for people who want full email sync and nurturing sequences without paying thousands in onboarding fees. Now, on the other hand, you should pick HubSpot if you want one smart system to handle everything from marketing to data management in one place. If you are a solo founder or a tiny team, the free plan in their Sales Hub is a great deal because it costs nothing for up to 2 users. As you grow, the HubSpot Sales Hub becomes a larger investment, but it offers advanced automation that can help scale your work. Just remember to budget for those mandatory onboarding fees of $1,500 or $3,500 if you plan to move past the starter level. All right, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did and you're planning to sign up to either Pipedrive or HubSpot, my affiliate links are in the description. That's the best way to support this channel if this video was helpful. And one last question I want to hear from you. Are you looking for a simple tool just for sales, or do you need an all-in-one platform for your whole team? Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.